Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. First and foremost, let me wish you all a blessed and a prosperous Easter season. Okay? Enjoy to the max. Now today's video is a collaboration video with another YouTuber or YouTube counterpart, whatever you want to call it. He is Amaru Cooks. Amaru Cooks is no stranger to this YouTube platform. I was the one that reached out to him for this collaboration because I was really enthused by the characteristics of his video. Presentation, demonstration, and in addition to that, his dishes are similar to some of our Jamaican dishes. Now today, it is the Calaloo. I have a video there on my channel that it shows you how to clean and cut your Calaloo, prepare it for cooking. So mine is done right here. So I'm gonna leave for you in the description the link to that video. Amaru Cooks has 3 channels. He has his Amaru cooking channel, Amaru Cooks. He's also a musician. He has his Amaru Music, and he has another channel by the name of Amaru Online. So we're gonna leave that also in the description. You go check out his channels for yourself. Show him some love. Okay, y'all? Now we'll be right in. Remember, we are highlighting the Calaloo. I'll be showing to you how we do it in Jamaica. Now I've got some oil here being preheated, like about 2 or 2.5 tablespoons. The first thing to this, I'm gonna add some scallions. If you're not using herbs, then you might want to use your other seasoning of choice. So we're gonna, on the high heat, you know I'm from the old school, so I do my thing. Now the Calaloo here in Jamaica, we get it in the bundle at the supermarket and at the farmer's market. But a few years, way back now, people have been preparing it. Some people, because the process in which you clean and cut the Calaloo for steaming, it's a little hectic. I'm not gonna lie to you. So a lot of people would want to omit that. But you know me, they come from the old school, you know, so when I know so me have to do my thing different. So I just do mine. Okay, so you get it like this in bags. And it will be priced or paid, probably it will be sold by the pound. So we are getting our scallion. You know this process by now. Getting this, the flavor from the scallion all infused in the oil. And we're going to rub it out a little until it gets limp. Now to this, I'm going to add some, I have a little chopped sweet, bell pepper sweet, a little yellow and a little green. Not a lot. These peppers, they have lovely flavors. Okay, so I'm just using a small amount. I also have here some chopped garlic, sliced garlic, and some sort of chopped garlic and some thinly sliced onions. So we put that inside it so and allow it to saute off and come back to you. So now we are back, and I forgot, this is a little piece of hot pepper. This is not fully Scotch bonnet pepper. Now the sauteing process has finished. So when your herbs are finally properly sauteed, this is what they look like. So we are going to put in our Calaloo. We are going to lower flame a bit though, to a little less than medium, because we are moving on to another process, which is the steaming process. This Calaloo here, it is a leafy vegetable. Okay, it has lots and lots of iron. People who are low in iron, low blood count and all of that, it is good. So we're putting the Calaloo just as it is, and we are proceeding to steam. So we have lowered the flame. Remember, when you're steaming, your flame must be low. So we'll be covering, lowering our flame for another 3 minutes. Then we will return to show you how it looks. It is steaming there, but we've got a little twist to put to it. So when we return, you'll see how it looks and put the twist to it and leave it to finish steam. We're about 3 minutes out, family, so we are gonna come right in to see what is happening. Remember, when you open your pot, you know steam is building up inside there. So when you open, you just and turn it to the side. So whatever is there, it will just drip off. Remember, we had left all the herbs at the bottom, so we want to turn it up now. Okay, you see what is happening? You're going to incorporate all your herbs on the low heat. We don't steam this with any additional water. It makes its own water on the low heat, okay? So we want it to be properly steamed and to maintain this nice pretty green color. It's not ready as yet, but we are just incorporating our herbs, so to speak. Now, so to this now, we have some picked up saltfish. I'd gone ahead, scald it off and pick it up, debone it and stuff. This is the twist that we're going to put to it. It has a little salt, so we won't be ready to salt it as yet, okay? We're going to, after all of this, we're going to wait to see if we are going to need any salt, okay? So for you dip on the low salt thing like me, you know how it go. We have got some time here. This is not fully green, but it is part way. Make sure yours are green. The greener, the more flavor. Now, we had put in some sliced garlic, but with this Calaloo, garlic goes a long way in flavoring. So I'm going to put in some grated garlic right here and now. Okay? And you could put a little black pepper if you have, but I'm using a little pimento powder to give me a little heat, along with that few slices of hot pepper. So what I want to do right here, I want to give another stir. So I'm going to stir everybody back together, getting everybody in one accord. Okay? So we ain't going to put any water, remember I told you. So stirring, wow, look at it. So, and I'm gonna get everybody all heaped up, you know, but I left them all out in a plot flying way, like bird a fly, and then I have no abiding city. You make everybody put together, okay, y'all? So now we're gonna cover and let it stay there under that low heat and leaving it. You check it occasionally, but let us say give it 5 to 6 minutes. Then we'll return to show you what is happening, okay, y'all? So family, 6 minutes after, and this is what we have. What we want to do now is add a little butter. Butter of your choice, oil of your choice, herbs, and let us remove our thyme. We can remove our thyme right now. It has already done its work. So as you go along, you proceed to remove the sticks of the thyme. You can't use your hand, man, because we don't use tongue all and sitting there remove thyme out of pot. After we pot and we hand clean, not true? So you let your butter go to the bottom. As you go along, and you're not going to serve it with the thyme. That is really not so enticing at all. So look at this. This is what we have. And look at what is happening. We have a little bit of juice that it has built inside there. So this is the juice that we works with. We don't put any water to get it all boiling and bubbling and all of that. You know? So we are removing the thyme. Now, remember we did not put any salt. So we're going to taste now to see how high the salt content is with the saltfish. If we need a little salt, we've got to put it now. I put it now because salt are going to make it spring some little extra water. So let us taste. A little more as the butter has been melted, and we still a search for them little thyme stick because we need a lot of time in this thing to give it some flavor. Okay. So we are going to taste and we want to taste a piece of the stalk. That is where you test if it's properly cooked. The stalk, it's harder or it's more chewy than the leaf. So we are going to taste. Maybe another 2 minutes. Okay. So we want a pinch, just a pinch. Maybe like about 1/8 or less than 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. That is to your liking. If you like a lot of salt, well, do as you please. Okay. We're going to get the salt mixed up in other color or something here. Gonna get some little stirring, and we are gonna return to this heat for another 5 minutes on the low, next to low heat, because remember we're using the steaming method. Okay, y'all? So we're going to cover up this thing here. So remember, you put it together and left it hang out and fly out like it not have no abiding city. The abiding city is in the pot and from the pot to your stomach. So we're gonna cover, and when we return, it will be time to plate this Calaloo. Okay, y'all? Okay, now family, right into this pot here. Girl, get right in. Our calaloo is finished. I want to show you something. You want to have, when you're finished, just a little bit of juice is running. You're in on this camera, girl, it builds its own juice. So you don't want, when it's finished, it's dry, or you to be adding water. Please, if you're so interested, follow this instruction and these instructions, and you'll get your calaloo steamed off nice with its own juices. Some people, you put it on too much of a high heat, therefore you have got to add water, then it becomes dark as you go along in cooking. Now we're going to plate it for you all. And this is 1 out of every 2 Jamaicans utilizes this vegetable, calaloo. Almost every Sunday morning, some people, if you have calaloo, it can be had like this. You can have it with your dumpling, bananas. You can have it. I says to me, have some addo bread over here, so some white Jamaican addo bread. I'm going to lick up some with it off camera. So just for presentation, we have some boiled eggs, and it goes well with boiled eggs. So, you don't know if we think already, presentation is always key. So we have got to do a little of that. Okay, y'all? So, this is how we roll when we roll. Now let me present to you. And there you have it. All steamed Jamaican calaloo. I've twisted it with a little saltfish. Now, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and also to leave your comments below on this. Remember, go check out Amaru's channels. Leave him some love, leave him some support with respect, and also to, I don't remember, but yes, Dame Royal. Dame Royal, you're a new subscriber to the channel. Thank you so much. You commented. I saw the comment this morning. I'm not sure if you're Suriname or I don't know where you're from, but your comment went something like this. From your viewing of my Jamaican mackerel rundown, it is similar to the Surinamese version, which is so true. And she goes on to say it's real soul food. Thank you so much. Remember to like, share, subscribe again. Go check out Amaru's channel. Both of us are on this collaboration, and when you do so with some respect and all of that. So, Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.